My name's Dowling. I've been a board member of Mid Wales Housing Association for 2 years. I joined from a background of industry, and I hope to bring to the board the competitive element of industry so that we could provide people who are on a sort of different position on the housing position, not being able to afford sort of to buy, but we were to provide good quality rented housing stock. And that's really why I joined the board. I've come to this conference now to see if my toolkit can be improved to benefit our people, our tenants. And that really, if that cannot be fed back somehow to improve our tenants, well, I have failed in what my objectives were here. But I've really sort of heard from Sue Essex. I think she gave a superb talk, and she's a lady you would have confidence in. You know, the regulations, I think, might be slightly already set, although they did give the impression that we could influence slight changes in the regulations. I pushed a little bit for regulation on pay within the organisations that rule us, because it does concern me that we have very high costs, salary costs, over £1 million, and you know how we can convey that to about 75% of people who are on benefit, who are having to sort of fund these extra charges. And that's why I thought regulation perhaps should have included that.